Alright, this is Kung Fu Home Improvement. This is new for me. I'm not, that much knowledgeable on this stuff, but I found out how to do it. Putting up wall tiles. So what you gotta do, you gotta get this tile adhesive. Alright, so I got this big bucket. And basically it's already mixed and everything. All you gotta do is put it on the back of the tile, put a bunch of it there. It's almost like just sticking it on there and that's it. So just go like here, you get one of these things.
It's called a trowel.
Okay, whatever it's called. And then I come like this. Like that. Do the other side. You're supposed to start from the bottom up. I accidentally started from the top down, but oh well. Start from the bottom up, stick it on the wall, that's it. It's like a big puzzle.
You have the push pin.
So, right here, just turn it, just stick it on there, and just push, hold it. It takes 24 hours to set in. Once it sets in, it's like cement. It pretty much won't move anymore. So you can still move it around a little bit before that. So getting the edges with my fingers to, so then there's not any left over. So push it in, and because I started from the top down, I'm gonna have to put this push pin right here so it doesn't slide down. But once it goes on there for 24 hours, it's gonna stay on there. So just wipe it clean, and then you can put grout in between when this is all done. But that's pretty much all you do, and just do it for the rest of the wall. And then you have to cut special, you gotta get a cutting machine to cut the tiles to go around the electrical outlets and all that other stuff. But this is the basic thing on how to do it. And it was kind of stressful at first to figure it out. And now that I figured it out, it's not as daunting, and it's pretty much just like, this is a big old bucket of crazy glue pretty much. Put it in the back of the tile and just glue it onto the wall, and make sure that you straighten it out. I have a level thing, I don't have it right now with me, but you can just level it out to make sure that it's straight, and then that's it.
Yeah, it's also a good rule of thumb to have a bucket of water and a towel, so that as you wipe the excess grout off of the tile, you can wipe your finger and also wipe the mortar off of the tile that's on the wall.
So here's the leveler. The push pins are in the way right now, but if I level it out, it's pretty straight actually. So it is pretty straight. So you can use one of these to make sure that it's straight. Like I said, you're supposed to start from the bottom and go up. But I accidentally started from the top going down, and once I did the top, there wasn't any turning back because it was only 24 hours and this stuff won't come down anymore. So we have to go from the top down right now. But we decided to put these push pins here to help so that it doesn't slide back down. But
It's doing pretty good.
that's it. Everybody was making like 10-20 minute videos. I made a quick video. So then you guys save some time.
Kung Fu do-it-yourself home improvements.